free amenities? You don't want to miss my newest listing. Across from Rutenberg Park, this one's move-in ready. This home has been fully renovated. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. Designer lights, fixtures, and fans. Updated baths with walk-in showers and floor-to-ceiling tile. Crown molding throughout. It doesn't get more Florida than this, with this amazing outdoor area. For the low fee of $50 a month, South Pointe South offers a clubhouse and pool just steps away from this home. Also just steps away from Rutenberg Park, offering baseball, tennis, football, basketball, playground, and more. This one won't last long, so call me today.